Namaste, my friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor, and today I'm going to share with you 5 more things I think you should know about this upcoming full moon on May 29th, 2018. I'm doing all of these videos prior to this event because I feel it's a very important time, not only the full moon, but this time period, this entrance into the summer energy that we're already feeling and experiencing is a very, very, very accelerated, dynamic, and different, more of an uplifting type of energy. I really enjoy sharing about it. It's not always fun to report like I did in the winter months that, you know what, we're going to be going within. We're going to be doing a lot of inner work. All the fun, exciting plans you have, they're going to be postponed because you need to release more. That's the name of the game a lot of the times, but that's not fun to talk about. It's fun to talk about the results of this expansion you have been participating in, and that's what this video is going to be about. If you're new to my channel, the way I do this is I take a general theme, general energy that I feel, and I break it up into 5 different, more bite-sized chunks that you can use as ways of sort of guiding yourself. You might find not every little point resonates with you, but there might be something I say in 1 or 2 of the points that clicks with you, that is a positive message, and if applied, it can benefit your life. So it's a co-creative experience. I'm expressing what I feel intuitively guided to express, but you are the one, the observer, the conscious, awake observer that is on guard for the right information that'll pop out at you and resonate with you. Okay? And also, if you're new, I have a free guided meditation that I made. It's designed specifically for people who are going through this ascension process. It has many benefits, and you can check it out down below. Again, it's free. I've gotten a ton of good feedback from people who have used it. So check it out if you'd like. Okay, theme number 1. You might find that deep-rooted fears are literally melting away, dissipating, being seen in their true light, which is that of nothing. A lot of times these powerful, fearful, underlying energies influencing our thinking, actions, and decisions and life experience can be suddenly seen from a slightly different perspective. And there is the writing on the wall. All of that drama was founded upon nothing. Your fears are smoke and mirrors. They are not real. They are only perceived as real through an unconscious lens that is now getting cleaned. Take that analogy for what you will. But you might just find that things that have been troubling you, maybe, I know a lot of people get negative synchronicities, numbers or patterns or cycles in their life that they become hip to and aware of, like, you know what, I sense I'm creating this, I sense I'm putting this out there, but I don't know quite what it is, and I don't like how it makes me feel, and I don't like the results it produces, and I don't like this direction I feel like I'm heading in, and I don't know how to stop it. Those are the fears that you're becoming aware of, but this energy is going to finally be kind of a culmination and allow you to see, oh my goodness, I can't believe I've allowed that to trouble me for so long and wreak havoc in my life. It's nothing. It's gone. Number 2 is you'll have an opportunity to get a lot done, a lot accomplished, a lot of loose ends tied up, a lot of forward progress, but you might feel a bit overwhelmed. It's a very fast-paced, dynamic, let's get the show on the road kind of energy. You got places to go, people to see, things to do. Let's go, come on, come on, come on. Don't forget about this. This is happening. You got to wrestle with this. Oh, this curveball got thrown at you. Got to catch that. Oh, duck over here. It's like that. And it's okay. It can be overwhelming. But just know that your attitude and degree of going with the flow and acceptance can make this a very accelerated, exhilarating, expansive type of ride. Don't get upset if you fall and scrape your knee, or if you get thrown off, or the curveball, you forget the duck and it smashes you in the face, and you find yourself getting frustrated or feeling overwhelmed. Those experiences do tend to happen time to time, but they can be very short-lived and fleeting if you don't judge yourself based on your performance that is already stellar. You existing and remaining alive in this almost unhealthy degree of frequency spike we're going through is a massive, miraculous accomplishment. So if you find yourself getting overwhelmed a few times a day, let it be like water off a duck's back. Just let it be. Be easy on yourself, okay? And if you can do that, which I didn't for a long time, I used to drive myself crazy and judge myself harshly and cause myself a tremendous amount of frustration. One little curveball that dinged my shoulder, I would allow to ruin my week. And I would go around all forlorn thinking I suck at life, when really if I could have just rolled with the punches a bit better and kept my eye on the prize going forward, accepting my imperfect performance at life, which is just kind of how it is, it's not an easy ride, then I would have moved forward faster and had a much more joyful and uplifting experience. Number 3, you might notice this so more in the collective, more in your day-to-day experiences, that people in general might be getting more reactive and triggered to new ideas, new beliefs, new energies. And it can create kind of an intense collective energy that we're forced to temporarily at least be bound to. So if you find yourself going to the grocery store and you just notice the tension in people, you just might see it, expressions of it, rude people, people very almost panicky as their beliefs, their long-held beliefs start to slip away from them. Try to have compassion. Try to have understanding. I know it's not a comfortable experience, but it's not easy to grow and expand so quickly. You know it's happening. You're kind of ready for it. Many people are not, and are just unsure of how to respond to the changes that they probably feel are imposed upon them. So don't take it personally if someone lashes out at you or is rude to you or calls you a bad name or something. Feel the energy. I know it's not fun, but just like the getting overwhelmed, this too can be a fleeting, short-lived experience if you can just kind of brush it off and coach yourself and remind yourself that everyone is doing their best, and it's just not an easy time to be alive for us, and especially for people who have no idea what's happening with them. So I found that when I receive some kind of negative expression from another person, even though I feel it, even though it might suck a little bit of my vitality out of me, and I won't like that, I won't prefer that, I don't condone that, I found that if I can accept it soon and try to almost trick my mind, coach my mind into trying my best to see the situation from the other person's perspective, then I can have compassion and rid myself of those energies very, very quickly. Number 4, I wrote the shattered glass ceiling. In that in the past, maybe you boxed in the potential of your consciousness and the state of being that you were able to embody. It's gone. There is a much higher level of perception, of intuition, of connection available now that you can tap into and embody more consistently, especially if you can roll with the punches a little bit and not get so upset when you come down. It takes, I would say, work in a sense. Maybe that's not the right word, but it takes practice to remain in an elevated state of awareness. You might find yourself kind of slipping in and out of it. but you'll also probably notice it's easier than before, a lot easier to stay there. So just try it. Just remember that in any given moment, no matter what's happening, you can choose a more elevated state of being. And watch in awe as it immediately influences whatever circumstance that temporarily tripped you up. And number 5, victory, mastery. It's a master card from a cool tarot deck. You will find success in these times. No matter what happens, no matter what's going on in your life, you will know, you will see that you have changed. You have grown. You are now already, not something down the line or to look forward to, now in this moment of seeing this video, are a far more, an exponentially greater, more masterful version of yourself, and you just might surprise yourself. I've been surprising myself. I have 3 young, intense, assertive, willful, intelligent children. 8, 4, and 2 are the ages. And they know how to play the game. They know how to work their parents. And my wife is going to be going to Peru on Wednesday, tomorrow or 2 days from now. And I'll be with the kids by myself for a whole week, which I've never had all of them for that long of a time. And I've been sort of getting warmed up to it. She's been taking weekends or nights out here and there where I've been responsible to watch them on my own for a length of time. And for the first several times, I thought, like, dude, there's no way I'm gonna be able to do this for a whole week with these kids. With you gone, they're gonna wear at me. And it was just so hard. I had a lot of very intense experiences, and it was very challenging. But now, as we're about to go, I'm finding success. I'm figuring out the game, and I'm able to not be perfect, but I'm able to do it. I'm having actually a great time with them, and it's just easier. And it's just a huge, huge victory for me, because out of all the things I've done in my life, the hardest has been parenting and doing a good job at meeting my own standards and expectations as a parent. And initially when I was having to watch them and like failing, not meeting the mark I had set for myself, being concerned that maybe my wife's not gonna be able to go do something she loves because I can't handle these kids, and then seeing myself grow so quickly and be able to just adapt to their situation and be more creative in the solutions I come up with to these varying obstacles, it's very rewarding. I feel like if I can, the fact that I can do this and handle these 3 kids at these ages with their mentality and how quickly I was able to kind of come into that, it's very hopeful. And again, I share these experiences not to brag or not to like impress you. It's because, as I always say, the inspiration for all of the points I always share in my videos come from my own life. When I'm struggling with something, I'll say, you know what? Point number 2 is you might be struggling with this. If I'm succeeding at something, I'll say point number 5, you might be having some victories in your life, some success, some examples, some clear examples demonstrating to you your power, your accomplishment, your victory, your mastery. Okay? Anyways, my friends, that is the video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed my new setting for my videos. I don't see myself shooting all that many videos not on these beautiful rocks. I love them so much. So anyways, maybe the next one, as I say that, might be in my home because my wife will be gone. I can't bring all the kids up here. But from now on, you can look forward to my videos being done here. Okay? I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. I do have one quick announcement. I do have another YouTube channel now that I'm starting to upload to regularly. My best friend Aaron Dowdy and I are going to help share our knowledge and wisdom with people that's all about helping people who have a talent or a sense of purpose or a message to share, a desire to help. we have found a way to do that online and kind of make a living doing it, support ourselves, doing what we love, helping other people. There's a way to do it, and it's a the internet is very powerful and can help you do that. And our whole YouTube channel is going to be dedicated to helping people who are interested in that do that. Now, that doesn't mean I'm going to upload less to this channel. I'm not going to take energy away, but this is something I'm going to do in addition to what I'm already doing with this. And if that interests you, I'll leave a link down below with our new channel. If not, that's fine. I'll see you in the next video on this channel. It's great to have you regardless. Have an amazing day. Thank you for everything. Thank you for your love and your support and your kindness and your shares and your likes and your comments and just the positive energy you guys are always sending to me, is energy of gratitude and appreciation. I know a lot of people don't leave comments on YouTube videos, but a lot of people, they will on mine. Most of my videos have a lot of comments, and it's not because Victor's so special, because you guys are so considerate and appreciative, and it helps me. It helps me keep going. There are days I don't want to shoot a video. There are days it's a challenge. In fact, I shot this same video yesterday, but I didn't like it, so I came out all the way out here again. So it's the love I get from you guys that helps me really just keep doing my best with this. So thank you. See you soon, my friends. Peace.